For 70 years, Shore Community Services has worked to empower kids and adults living with disabilities. CEO India Ahioba is here to talk about all they do and a big event that's coming up soon. Hi, India. Glad to have you with us.
Hi, nice to be here.
So
Great.
give us a little snapshot of Shore and the work that you've been doing, because 70 years is a long time serving the community.
70 years is a long time. Our founder, Lois Lloyd, founded Shore Community Services when there were no services available for her daughter who had disabilities. And her vision and dream still goes on, and hundreds and thousands of people over the years have been helped by our services. So, and people with all types of developmental disabilities. We work mostly with adults, though we do also provide services for birth to 3 early intervention therapy services. So it's an exciting time this year, being our anniversary year. We're doing some different ways to celebrate it in the community and the ways that we've served.
So working with mostly adults, some young people with disabilities, what other challenges are they facing? Because a lot of your clients are living below the poverty line as well, too, right?
Absolutely. And one of the things that happens with individuals with disabilities, once they turn 21, most of the funding really drops away. So there aren't a lot of resources for adults with disabilities. So what we do at Shore, we do receive funding through the state, but mostly we depend on the donations and support of individuals in the community, companies, foundations that support the services that we provide.
And a key part of what you're doing is linking people with opportunity for employment. Talk about that.
Absolutely, and employment is a big issue for everyone at all levels of abilities. And what we do at Shore is provide whatever the training and job assistance to help people at all levels of disabilities to find an opportunity to work, because everybody wants to work and have the opportunity to be independent, as independent as they can be, and we support that.
Being independent. So we're talking about job opportunities, we're talking about housing. I know you were recently able to help 2 brothers.
Yes. What we'd like to do, if we can, is when we do have family members, and we have 2 brothers that are from Chicago, and we were able to put them in the same group home, which was great. It allowed them to keep that family tie, and also for their other family members to be able to visit them and support them. And it allows them that level to be on their own. They're not living with mom and dad, but that they still can live together as brothers. So, and that's unique, because very often they get separated with systems.
How difficult was it for you getting through the pandemic, and how have you transitioned your programming? Because I would imagine that virtual events and services definitely not as effective as being able to be face-to-face with your clients.
Absolutely. Shore, over the years, we provide primarily day programs. We do have residential homes, but we serve about 50 to 300 individuals just in job services and therapeutic services during the day. So with the shutdown, because of COVID, those services, of course, were shut down as well. And that was a significant part of our revenue and the services that we provide. And so what we've done, we did some things, doing some things online and to provide services that way, but it's not as effective. But what we've done is make sure that we put every effort to keep everyone safe and apply every resource to protect everyone with masking and distancing to provide services. And our programs, because they're very unique for individuals who have more severe developmental disabilities, along with physical disabilities and medical needs. And it's something we ended up being sort of the expert in that area, in that other agencies send their individuals to us to provide those services. And it has to be done in person. So we've had to make some adapting, and we've worked with families to see what they would need, what would help them to feel more comfortable with sending their loved one out during the day and arranging transportation, all of those types of challenges. But we've met them, and we've met through the support of our donors and our communities that we serve.
Yeah, and we know you need lots of support, lots of money to provide the services that you are giving to the community. So tell us about this big gala that's coming up in September.
Yes, we are excited to celebrate 70 years, the vision of Lois Lloyd, our founder, and we are having a gala on September the 9th, Thursday, September the 9th at the Chicago Botanic Gardens. Oh, I see you have all the information up. And it's going to be a great time. Individual tickets are available at $250. You can buy a table, $2,500. Sponsorships are still available. It starts at 6 p.m. You can reach out to us on shoreservices.org or call directly at 847-982-2030. And we'd love to have you, and love additional support any way that we can get it for those that we serve.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, India Ehioba from Shore Community Services. Looking forward to the gala as well. Good to see you.
Great. Good to be here. Thank you so much.
All right.